Now you can see that Maxwell's right hand thumb rule. What does it state? It states that if you hold the current carrying straight conductor in the grip of your right hand in such a way that the stretched thumb points in the direction of current, you can see that there is a dark line, that straight line is actually showing the wire, and this wire is having current I which is towards a downward direction. You can see that the dark arrow is showing the direction of current. You can see that current is also written over here. So this this wire is having current I which is towards a downward direction. What you have to do in order to find out the direction of magnetic field, what we have to do, we have to just grip the wire with our right hand, such that when you gripping the wire, such that the direction of current is towards the thumb side. आपका थम जो है वो डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट की टुवर्ड्स होना चाहिए, एंड योर फिंगर शुड बी कर्ल्ड. आप अपनी फिंगर्स को पूरी तरह से कर्ल कर लोगे, देन यू कैन सी दैट दीज कर्लिंग फिंगर्स आर एक्चुअली शोइंग यू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. कि मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैसे होंगे, जो कर्लिंग फिंगर्स हैं उसी की तरह आप सर्कुलर लूप्स बनाओगे, एंड यू कैन सी दैट दिस सर्कुलर लूप इज एक्चुअली शोइंग द व्हाट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो आफ्टर दिस यू कैन पॉइंट दिस, जो भी आपके हैंड कर्लिंग फिंगर्स का जो डायरेक्शन होगा उसी डायरेक्शन में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स रिवॉल्व हो रहे होंगे. ठीक है. So you can see it on the screen that the direction of the curl of the fingers will give the direction of the magnetic field, and this rule is called as Maxwell's corkscrew rule. And similarly, if the current carrying conductor and the current is in the direction of upward side, what you will do, you will just curl the fingers such that the direction of current and your thumb will be in upward direction, and you will feel that the fingers will turn in the anti-clockwise direction, while now it is in clockwise direction. So okay, you can understand this. When the current is in downward direction, when you grip the wire, the magnetic field lines are in the clockwise direction, while when you having a conductor in which current is in the upward direction, and you curl the fingers and the thumb is in the upward direction, you can see that the magnetic field lines are in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so these are the rules for understanding or determining the direction of the magnetic field when the current is flowing through a straight conductor, and the magnitude can be obtained from the formula B is directly proportional to I upon R. Okay class, hopefully you get it.